Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please make sure to click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a mushroom biryani, and it's going to be very tasty and very delicious. I have an 8-ounce mushroom. I washed it and I cut into smaller pieces. 1 onion. I'm going to use the saffron, about 15 strands, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon hot water in there. Basmati rice, 1 cup. We really don't need to soak it. I'm just going to wash it with cold water and drain it, and then I'll share with you when to use it. 2 cup water. These are the spices we're going to use. 4 bay leaves, half teaspoon cumin seed, 3 green cardamom, 3 cloves, half inch cinnamon stick, half mace, 1 teaspoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste. All other ingredients will be half teaspoon salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, biryani masala, and olive oil. And let's get started. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. Keep the gas on high. I'll bring 2 teaspoon olive oil. I'll bring all the dry ingredients. The cumin seeds start cracking up. Now I'm going to bring onion. We're going to cook our onion for 3 minutes. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes. Bring ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Cook along with our tadka for 1 minute. So keep mixing. Cooking for 1 more minute. Altogether cooking for 4 minutes. This is all we need. Onions are nicely transparent. Bring all the spices. Salt, cumin powder, biryani masala, coriander powder, and we're going to mix them well. And we're going to cook for half minute with our tadka. Cooking for half minute. Now I'm going to bring the mushroom. Mix it well with the tadka. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cook for 1 minute. Cooking for 1 minute, I'll bring 2 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and we'll bring the water to boil. The water already started to boil. I'll open it. I washed with the cold water, drain the water, and I will bring the rice in there. When you're cooking biryani, the timing is very, very important. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. We're going to cook on a high gas for 5 minutes. Cooking exactly 5 minutes on a high gas. Very important. We're going to bring the gas to simmer and I'm going to open it. This looks awesome. The saffron, kesar, desi ghee, 1 teaspoon. And we're going to bring fresh cilantro, dhania. And now we're going to cover with aluminum foil. Make sure that it's nicely, fully covered. So once it's nicely covered, we're going to place the cover. And we're going to cover it. Just like this. And now we're going to let it on dum for 10 minutes on low gas. After 10 minutes, we're going to turn it off. Then I'm going to share with you our mushroom biryani. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on dum. I'm going to turn up the gas and I'm going to open it. Be careful. So you open it. Look at this. Another important step. The rice cook to our perfection. So we're going to bring it, the rice from bottom, just like this. We're going to move around, just like this. Our biryani is nicely cooked. As you see, they cook at the bottom and the top layer, they stay little firm. So after doing this, now we're going to put the cover back on and keep the cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mushroom biryani will be ready and then we're going to serve it. Our mushroom biryani is been rested for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it and we're going to mix it. Look at how delicious mushroom biryani is ready. I will dish out. Our tasty and delicious mushroom biryani is all ready. Please try it And like always, if you like this dish, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.